the rain is over. It's really wet, but I'm glad that we have rain, and when it's raining or weather like that, I think I can make more jewelry. And I'm going to show you how to make a very simple jewelry but very beautiful one. I will start with this ready-to-use shapes, colored, already painted in 3 different colors. This is what I found, and I'm gonna use the yellow one because I would like to create some Ukrainian theme jewelry, Ukrainian earrings. And I took this yellow pair of already painted shapes, wooden shapes or forms, whatever you call it. So the next, what I'm gonna use, I found this yellow and blue design. It's actually a nail stickers, nail art that you can stick, you can glue to nail, but also I'm gonna use it, this beautiful design, to create my earrings, and it's very good quality. I really like it. So what I did, I already transferred this beautiful design on my earring, and then I decided that it's a little bit empty around, so, and I'm going to use this type of glitter and sparkling semi drops that you can glue on the surface of anything you're decorating. And I choose again blue and yellow, like this one, and I already try to arrange on my earrings. This one actually would look the best, so I'm gonna glue it, and then the colors cannot show that this is not dark blue. It's actually this very similar color as the drops, but again I can try the blue one. I have the blue one, so let's say I'm gonna put the blue one and see how it looks. Oh, you have to use instruments another way. It's not simple to put. So I have like this one. Now I think it's too kind of bright and too glittery, so I'll probably stick with the previous choice. Yeah, and this one here, let's say, what do you think? Maybe you think, yeah, it's actually nice. So we'll see. For me, it's like experiment. I always like trying to do something different and choose any variety of colors and combinations. But this Ukrainian theme, it's really nice. I like it, and I'm gonna make more earrings like that. What do I use to glue these little sparkles? I use usually this type of glue, super bond adhesive, and I use a toothpick, and it's easy. It dries quickly. It becomes clear and solid, and I found I like to work with this type of glue because it never becomes yellow and doesn't damage any beads and any material. So I really like this glue, so I'm going to glue these little sparkles here. I must tell you that this sticky glue is so sticky that if it goes on your dress or anywhere, it dries quickly, and sometimes it's very difficult to remove it. So I usually use a little kind of plastic lid, and I use a toothpick. And what we're gonna do, I'm gonna show you. Sometimes it's not easy to glue it, but it's important to put the little dots. You hardly can see the dots, but these little dots, it's enough to glue these little sparkles. And then one by one, so here goes, and it sticks really easy. You don't need even to press nothing because It's actually dries immediately, as you can see. So now I'm gonna use yellow one. Again, little dots of glue. You don't need a lot, and I found for me this technique works the best. It takes just minutes. Here one, here's another one. Oops, yeah. Sometimes you have to hold it and it has to dry. And then another one. This is, I have to push a little bit because it will be dry in seconds. So whenever you need to fix it again. And I'm not gonna use here because it's the hole for the hook, right? So as you can see, it's completely different design, and I try to show you. Yes, so if I can show you, it's a very nice design. So now I'm gonna cover this with some varnish or adhesive, and let's do with another one. So I will do the same. So I will use a toothpick. So I put here, I put here, here, and a little bit up here, yeah. And now we glue it. Oops. Okay. Yeah. And you don't need to use the air dryer because probably it's dirty. Whenever it comes like this, it means you have to clean your instruments. Okay. And we go here. And the last one, we go here. Okay. Okay. I still can fix it a little bit if you want to look nice. I need just time, a little bit of time when it's dry. So now I have two beautiful earrings. It will be dry in a few minutes, and as you can see, it's a really nice design, and I like it so much that I'm gonna make some other. So I still have a lot, so then I'll try to use some other design. That's all, simple, and I'll show you the result later. I like it to play with this ornament stickers and the sparkling stuff so much that I decided to create even like a couple more earrings. So this is like one type of earrings. Then I use a little bit darker colors, and this one, and then a whole set like this one. And I'm going to show you closer. As you can see, very beautiful design. And now I'm going to show you the ready product. So we have this pair of earrings, and actually looks pretty good. I'm very happy about this design. Then this one, it's also not bad. Oh, I have actually a pair. Yes. And this one, it's actually three of them. So I have two earrings and one pendant. So I'm gonna use some chain. I covered with resin, and I add the sparkles. And I use some Mod Podge with sparkles on the bottom. This one, a stub earrings, looks very beautiful, very light, and I like this beautiful flowers. I hope you like it. So let me know if you like it or not, and what other ideas do you have. But I think it's worth to try, and I really like these beautiful earrings. I really like them. So subscribe to my channel and follow my new videos.